everyone, it's Susan, and today I want to talk to you about something that could be a game changer for you. I know some of you are using Kami, and you have been for quite some time, and there are several steps that you have to take to get it to work with your students, but now Kami integrates with Google Classroom, and how exciting is that? So if you want to take a look, open your Classroom and go to the plus sign, and you can see whether you have Kami loaded or not. And if you don't, then I'll show you how to do that, and we'll then move forward from that. So the first thing you want to do is to open a tab. I've got a new tab open right here. We'll just use that one. And I'm going to change what account I'm under. We'll go ahead and click on the apps and go into the web store and type in Kami, K-A-M-I. Kami needs to be added to Chrome. You're going to add the extension. So you can go ahead and exit out of this and exit out of this. Let's go back to the Classroom and refresh. Now when I go back to the plus sign, I have Create Kami Assignment. Click on your K. And you have to run through a few little bits here and there. So what I notice here is this isn't always filled in. You will need to choose the class that you want. So you choose your RD Intel. I'm going to just assign it to one student this time. Student that gets in trouble all the time, you know. And then title it. I'll just title it Kami. And then I would like for them to fill out the worksheet. So we'll make it short and sweet. You can set your due date, you can set your scheduled time. I'm going to click on my Drive icon. I'm going to go into my recent. You can also go into your PDFs, and we're going to work on this one and select it. This does make a copy for each student, which is its default, and I'm pretty excited about that, and I'm going to assign that. Now that the assignment is created, I'm going to open it in Classroom, and I'm going to choose the account. I had to have two accounts open, so that's why I'm having to log in again. So this shows me what the assignment will look like. So you can see from your point of view what this looks like. Now I'm going to take you to the student point of view. So this is a student account. I'm going to refresh my class because you can see the stream was updated. And now that I have updated my stream, then you can see that I have a new assignment. So I'm going to open that new assignment. And you can see I have an assignment called Using the Pronouns I and Me. Thanks, Trisha. And then you notice at the top up here that I can open it with Kami. Now you will not see this if your students have not downloaded Kami. So if you need to do that and your students need to do that, go through that same process that I went. Open a tab, go into your apps, search for Kami and download it, refresh it, and then once they get this PDF, then you can click Open with Kami. Once Kami is open, then you will see the toolbar along the side here. And when you click on this, a lot of you will be using the text box, so that I will go ahead and use that. So you click on the text box, and then you can go out here and say that you want to add Marvin and I. And then once you have saved this, and it's not coming up and showing for me because I think it went back to my other account, but once your student does this, fills in, then a little message for your students will come up here, and it will say turn in. We'll click on that turn in, and then when they go back to their assignment, then it will say done, because it will have been submitted. And you can see that it is clicked back to my account here. So because it's Google is getting a little mixed up on which account it's wanting, so it has gone back to the teacher account, so that's a little confusing, I think, for it, because I was trying to have the student account and the teacher account. But the students will see the turn in, and then once they click the turn in, then it will go back to their classroom, and then when you open it, you can see, without even opening it with Kami, you can see the answers that they placed on their worksheet. It's pretty amazing. I'm really excited about it. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to go through it with you. I worked with some teachers today and they're pretty excited. I hope you are too. Have a great day. Thanks.